Okay, so in this short little video, I'm going to show you how to effectively funnel traffic from a dating app such as Tinder, Bumble, etc. to an OnlyFans account. Hey, I'm Bjorn Olsen from YourOFMPire.com and the Empire Forums, owner of the OnlyFans Empire, an OnlyFans management agency managing girls in the top 1% from all over the world completely remotely, hence different hotel rooms and pets and all my different videos. Check us out at YourOFMPire.com or at YourOFMPire on all major social media platforms. But for now, let's get back to the video. Now, full disclosure, to be fair to all of my Empire members, I will never go into specifics about the exact funnel that we use. This is because if I reveal all that stuff on my YouTube channel, well, then there's A, no incentive to go to Empire, and secondly, I'm kind of screwing over all the members that are signed up to Empire. So you'll never hear me go into specifics, but I can at least give you a small rundown on how it works, essentially. Now, if you're familiar with this process, you'll know that most people use Instagram, Snapchat to funnel traffic. All I can say is be creative, and if you're choosing to use one of those two, don't just blatantly insert the Instagram into the bio saying add me on Insta, add me on Snap. You'll get banned quickly. These dating apps know what we're doing. They're not stupid. If you think that you can just write it a different way, no, like the camera emoji, they won't know. They've been doing this for a long time, bruh. They know what you're up to. So you have to be creative. There are creative ways that you can insert a funnel. You can use a watermark on images, maybe put an Instagram username as a watermark on some of the images. Maybe use some kind of like font translator thing website, copy that, paste it in the bio, or some other ways. All I can say is be creative. And if you want to know exactly how we do it, go to Empire. But I'm not trying to promote Empire as much as I'm just being honest with you and saying that I'm not going to reveal in this exactly how we do it, to be fair to all the Empire members. But I'll at least give you a rundown on how it works, all right? So here you have the dating app. For this example, we'll be using Tinder. Now, this process is actually very simple. Don't be fooled by the big diagram. It's actually very simple. Someone asked me, so what do you say? What do you say in the DMs to all your matches to get in the funnel? And then when they funnel, what do you say in those DMs to get them in the funnel to OnlyFans? Here's the answer. Nothing. Nothing. I could have actually just made a video saying, hey, how do I do this? Do nothing. But that would have been boring. So here's right. Don't respond to the DMs, right? So you have simps that are matching with you, matching with your model, and they want to get your attention. That's why they've matched with you. They want to get to know you. Now, if you reward them by giving them attention on that platform, why would they go to another platform? Because they're looking for your attention, remember? So the most effective way to funnel traffic is actually to give you zero attention on this platform, because then they'll find another way to get in contact with you, hence the funnel. So they go, okay, they're not responding to me on Tinder. How else can I contact her? Oh, she's got an Insta or Snap or whatever. Let's add her on there. Then they'll go to that platform. Same thing. If they contact you on there and you respond to them, you're giving them what they want. They want attention, right? So you're giving them attention on that platform. So then why would they go to a different platform? So you're essentially doing this twice. You're going to ignore them on Tinder, because then they go, how else can I contact them? Ah, she's got Insta, Snapchat, whatever. Add them on there. Okay, hey, how you doing? I saw you on Bumble. We matched. I saw you in blah, blah, blah. Same thing, don't reply. Because then they'll go, ah, man, I really like this girl. How else can I contact her? Oh, she's got a link tree, or oh, she's got OnlyFans. Then they'll go to the OnlyFans, all right? So now to sum it up, it's very simple. Do not DM them on Tinder. Do not DM them on whatever platform you're using to funnel. And then they'll go to OnlyFans. Now, obviously, this won't work for everyone, but this is the most effective way to funnel traffic, and also it takes the least amount of time. Don't waste your time responding to DMs, because all you're doing is keeping them on that platform when you want them to go to the other platform. So that's it. Told you I'd keep it nice and short. So if you like the video, go smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, and I'll see you on another video.
The ultimate hub for OnlyFans success.